One day in forest with vibrant trees, flowers, and a clear blue sky. The host, a friendly horse named Harmony, stands in the center.
Hello, little friends. Welcome to our magical forest. I'm Harmony the horse, and I'm super excited to explore and learn together today. Look who's here. I want you to meet my awesome friends who live in this fantastic forest. First up, let's say hello to Nutty the squirrel.
Hi there! I'm Nutty, the fastest acorn collector in the forest. Nice to meet you, kiddos.
Next, we have Slithery the snake.
Hello, little explorers. I'm Slithery, and I love gliding through the leaves. Excited to be here with you.
Now soaring in from the treetops, it's Eddie the eagle.
Greetings, young adventurers. I'm Eddie, the keen-eyed eagle, ready for a soaring good time.
Last but not least, let's welcome Woolly the sheep.
Hi everyone, I'm Woolly, the softest and coziest friend in the forest. Excited to learn and play with you.
Now that you've met my fantastic friends, we're all set for a wild learning adventure. Stay tuned as we explore, discover, and have a ton of fun in our magical forest. Are you ready, little buddies? Let's dive into the enchanting world of the forest together. Follow me and let the learning fun begin.
Hi, kiddo. Hope you enjoyed the videos. Subscribe now for more videos. Thank you. Goodbye.